My name's Tom Janetsky with EDC Acoustics, and we're here showing our volumetric audio system. So what we have is, with traditional audio, we're always kind of confined to speakers being on the walls or simulating sound positions. But in this type of system, we've actually created a volumetric of the drivers that you're sitting. So the drivers are actually in the seats here. So we have a driver that's facing forward, a driver that's facing backwards, and lower in here we have a sub. So instead of having to program haptic channels and things like that, the sub actually rumbles the seat a little bit based on what the real audio is as it's coming through the product. But the real purpose for this is, we always notice that in live venues and situations that no matter what you do, there's still a good seat in the house and a bad seat in the house. And there's immersive perspective is always skewed based on where you're sitting. But in this system, because everyone has drivers in the system, everybody's having the exact same experience, but to the right perspective of what they're watching. So what I mean by that is, if somebody is sitting all the way to the left in a seat and the stage is over here, we can tell it that the sound is going to come from the stage, and it propagates this way. So when they're looking at the stage, it actually sounds like it's coming from the stage, versus being too close to a speaker that's on this wall and further away from a speaker on the other wall. So we're simulating getting true stereo to every seat and really creating an immersive environment. So if you think of like a rock dropping into the middle of the pond, that's how the audio works in this system. So if an artist were to walk off a stage and walk to the middle of the audience, everybody would localize that sound as actually coming from, like where I am right now, the speaker or the microphone in the center. The sound wave would travel out from my location to everybody in the audience. So that's what we're showing here at InfoComm. I'm Tom Janetsky with EDC Acoustics, and you can see this product at other trade shows or call us to get more information.